Hello Unity developers. One of our developers is making a multiplayer 2D platform game, so I just want to make a short tutorial to help him get started quickly. I have prepared a single-player sample project using the Canny assets. You can download the project from the SocketWeaver GitHub repository. So I have opened up the project in the Unity editor, and I'm going to hit play to show you around the single-player game. You can use the arrow keys to move the player left and right, and pressing the spacebar will make the player jump. Pressing the enter key will make the player shoot, and I placed a few enemies in the game. If you are touched by the enemy, a game over debug message will be printed. Okay, I'm going to stop playing. I will fast forward the video to skip the steps of installing the SocketWeaver SDK, setting up the lobby scene, and setting up the scene spawner. If you are new to the SocketWeaver SDK, you can watch my other videos. So I finished setting up the game, and we can set up the 2D player now. And first, I'm going to add a RealTimeAgent. I'm going to enable transform, and I'm going to enable X and Y. The game has a very small map, so we can adjust the compress settings to reduce the data usage. I'm not interested in the Z position value because we are making a 2D game. Next, I'm going to enable animation, and I'm going to drag the animator to the target field. We can enable the ground parameter and the speed parameter. And we know the speed is the horizontal user input, so it will be between -1 and 1. And I'm going to set its resolution to 1 decimal place. And I'm going to modify the player's script to check the player's ownership on the GameObjects. And that's all we need to do for today's video. We can build the game now. The build has finished. And we can see that the player's position and animation is synchronized. And that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will use the static non-player network ID component to spawn the enemies in the game. And thanks for watching. Please join our Discord server to get help and support. And see you in the next one.